So we're here at the Linaro Connect. So who are you?
I'm Grant Likely. I am the device tree maintainer, and I am also work in the office of the CTO at Linaro.
And who are you?
I am Gaurav Minocha. I graduated from University of British Columbia a few months back, and I worked in Google Summer of Code. Basically, Linaro was my mentoring organization, and Grant was my main mentor. And it was a wonderful project for me. I worked on device trees, so I learned a lot, and I'm here to present my project at Linaro's Connect.
Is it the first time that Linaro is using what's called Google Summer of Code? What do you call
I believe this is the first year that Linaro has been selected as a mentoring organization. We had two students. We have Gaurav here, and also we had a student who was working on UEFI, porting UEFI to the BeagleBone.
So how were you a mentor?
Well, with the device tree, we've got self-test code in the kernel that has been there for a while, but has been very difficult to run. So we had a Summer of Code project suggestion of taking that code and making it run on any platform easily. So Gaurav saw the proposal and thought it was interesting and applied. So Gaurav, do you want to talk about how the project went?
Yeah, project. If I go with the starting, I applied in only one Google Summer of Code project, and I was very specific with what I want. And because I had a little bit idea of what device tree is. That's it. So I applied in the project, and finally working on it was a great experience for me. And coming to the project, basically we were solving a problem so that the testing of the device tree could be done without any manual process. And when we basically, it was hard to add the files in the platform specific device trees that people used to use before for the booting the kernel. So right now what it does is it's all the test data for testing the device trees is added dynamically once the system is booted. And now on top of it, after the tests are run, it removes the test data from the system. So in all, it cleans all the test data, and the system is back as is. I hope.
So was he able to do everything?
Gaurav was a fantastic student. He was got into the code very quickly, understood what needed to be done, and very quickly got into writing code. And then once he started posting patches to the mailing list, responding to comments. So he was pretty much the ideal example of what a Summer of Code student we hope will end up being. His project was extremely successful, and the code that he wrote is now in mainline. So anybody who wants to test the device tree subsystem is able to turn on the config symbol, and it just works.
So it's a good idea to do this Google Summer of Code.
The Summer of Code is a fantastic organization. It's a fantastic program. I strongly recommend for students to get involved with it, and I also really strongly recommend for organizations to become mentors. I remember when I was a young engineer, having someone guide me along was a big part of getting into the open source world, and I want to be able to do the same for new engineers who are coming out of school.
Was it fun to guide him along?
It was a lot of fun.
It was not too much work?
It was not too much work. I mean, it is a time commitment, but the time commitment is well worth it.
Cool. And what are you going to do next?
It's like as I told you, as Grant told you that my patches are in mainline. So it's like a kind of a prize for me what I have done. I was never expecting that in 12 weeks I will complete my project, I will document my project, and even the documents are in mainline today. So it's kind of an achievement for me. I have earned a stipend over time, but this was not my prime aim. My prime aim was learning. So I told Grant, like, it's not like I'm coming here only for a small 12-week time. Today also I will continue working in the open source, same projects, as in same work, as an open source developer for Linux, and I hope I will keep getting advice from Grant in future so that I can go in the right direction in the kernel, because open source world is too big. If I'm starting in it as a young person, I can get lost, and if I have a great guide like Grant, so I might get into the right direction and I will reach my destination